Samsung's Galaxy Active series, and increasingly ruggedized wearables, have helped establish the company's prowess as the only true champion for more active, or careless, mobile consumers. Starting with the Galaxy S4 Active, Samsung began offering IP67 waterproofing, years before it was a flagship standard, and rugged design, which has now expanded to military standard certifications and drop tests, extreme temperatures, and IP68 waterproofing. Year after year these active variants have been released shortly after Samsung's Galaxy flagship, often tweaking small aspects of inner hardware to match the outer theme. This year we see arguably the Android phone of the year, the Galaxy S8, step up 1000 mAh in battery size, and gain all the rugged military-grade hardware to produce the Galaxy S8 Active. But in a world where IP67 is the norm for flagship phones, some even offer shatterproof displays. Is the Active series still needed? Let's examine what it brings to the table. In the box. Galaxy S8 Active. USB-A to USB-C adapter, female to male. Micro USB to USB-C adapter, female to male. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Adaptive fast charging wall plug. Warranty and getting started guide. Samsung's come a long way with its success since the days of TouchWiz. The Samsung Experience, as it's now called, first debuted on the Galaxy S8 6 months ago upon its release, and since then we've settled in with the creature comforts that this affords. We like the overall aesthetic, iconography, and smoothness in the UI. Things look good, and they move well. Samsung apps, which include Mail, Messages, and the browser, among others, are generally useful and well thought out, though not always as feature-rich or well-integrated as their stock Android counterparts. Samsung's browser, for instance, is in some ways more intuitive and perhaps better laid out than Google Chrome, but existing Chrome users will need to download an extension for Chrome on their desktop in order to sync bookmarks with Samsung's browser. This detracts from the overall seamlessness, and can deter some from using it altogether, especially when Chrome has these features built in and saved to your Google account.